Hi dear friend, look at these three zippers are our number 7 shoes zipper. We also have a number 5, number 3 for your choosing. Also some customer book number 8, but normally people use number 7 frequently. So first let's check the lining situation. It lines very well. And second, check the locking power. It locks it very strong. If for the locking power is not good or the lining situation is not good, people will throw the shoes away. For example, this shoes with the shoes zipper, okay, and this one also with shoes zipper, and look at this one also with shoes zipper, okay. And let's see other one. Look at this one also with shoes zipper. So many shoes need the shoes zipper. If you are interested for this high quality shoes zipper, you can send email to us. Thank you.